In today's video, I'm going to show you the upcoming NFT collection that you can take in part 2 called Mteora. And to answer your question, yes, you can stake it in our planet and be able to earn Ether from it. But I'm also going to talk about what are the chances of the cards, okay? What are the different rarities, okay? What are the facts and everything that you need to know about this NFT collection. But first, before we start, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. As you can see here, I do have 10,100 subscribers. Please help me reach that 15,000 because it will be a big milestone if we reach this one this month. So let's just jump right into it. So if you're going to look onto this part right here, it says exchange your NFTs on a real meteorite. So you can get your own piece of space. They provide you a unique opportunity to get your own particle of space. This NFT collection is backed by 4 real meteorites. Do not miss your chance and take part in the sale of packs. So currently, this is not yet released. So as you can see, it is coming soon. There are also some typo errors on this one. And you can join their discussion via their Telegram group right here. So as you can see, they do have around 1,000 members and there are a lot of people that are joining, okay? So to answer your question, sale date of this NFT collection will be announced soon on their Twitter Mteora 1. So what we just need to do here is just go into our Twitter account and then just type in Mteora 1, okay? And then you can see it here, just follow them, okay? And you can see every single thing, every single update onto their social media sites. So let's go further on to this upcoming NFT collection, okay? Upcoming NFT drop. So collect full Mteora collection, enter the marketplace to trade or exchange your NFTs and get missing elements. So there's also a real meteorites right here, which you can trade your full collection or exchange it on a real meteorite. So gather 4 collections to get all 4 space rocks. So you can exchange as well the full collection of NFTs on one of 4 meteorites from Mteora, and it will be sent to you by post. So these are the rarities that you can get if you're going to open these packs right here. As you can see, the graphics of these 2 packs are pretty much really look good, and I pretty much like it as well. And for the universal pack, okay, for the universal, you do have 0.2% for the common. For the common as well, you can get 0.05. For the uncommon, you have 0.625 chance. For the rare, you do have 0.125% chance. For the epic, you have 0.25% chance. And for the legendary, you do have 0.625% chance. And for the mythic, you do have 2.5% chance. So this part right here, this is pretty much unique, okay? Why? It is because this mythic right here has more rarity chance than getting this universal and common. So they pretty much flip the system right here, wherein you have more chance to get a common card than the mythic, and into this part right here, you have more chance to get the mythic cards rather than this universal and common cards right here. So this is pretty much looking good as well. So this is a high graphic image. Just look on this one. Just wow. Okay, it really looks like a meteorite. Okay, it looks like a legit one from the space. Okay, so they've really done a great job on this part right here. So they do have partners, just like what I've mentioned before, our planet and the Wax blockchain. And of course, to keep in for you to stay updated, just go into their official social media sites right here. It is Telegram, it is Twitter, and it is also the YouTube. Okay, so you can see this high graphic image of every single meteorite that they have here. So it's pretty much looking good. And of course, for you to buy the upcoming packs as well into the Atomic Hub, please make sure to click this marketplace right here, and you will be directed into this part right here, which it is already filtered Mteora Wax NFT. So please do correct me if I'm actually pronouncing it bad. So let's talk about the about section right here. So as you can see, every single meteorite has its own story. So Campos del Cielo refers to a group of iron meteorites into the area in Argentina where they were found. So you can see here that these NFT collections right here has pretty much a meaning onto it. So you're not just buying some NFT cards because you just like it, okay? And just because it looks good, okay? I just want to buy, I just want to YOLO. This one has a story. So, and if you're going to look on every single meteorite on this part right here, it is really, really crafted well, okay? I really like this part right here. So you can just scroll into this part right here, every single meteorites, and just look about its story, okay? Like this Zeolona Gura, its age is estimated at 5,000 to 6,000 years. So probably it is pretty much rare, right? So for the fact section right here, if you have any questions, they do have a frequently asked questions onto this part, wherein it answers some of your questions, like what is the Wax blockchain? So what is really Wax, okay? So it is a cryptocurrency used for trading cards and digital collectibles, and where you can actually see the Mteora NFTs that you can own. So you can see it into the Wax Cloud wallet. So just click this one right here, and you will be redirected into your all access wallet, into your dashboard, and you can see it directly here, okay? So you can see it via NFT. So what you just need to do, just search for Mteora here, and then it will appear here. So so let's say I do have alien worlds part right here. So it will appear here. So you will just look onto the collection filter right here. It says alien worlds and Yoshi drops. So you can just jump right into this NFT inventory inside the Wax. So for you to contact their support, okay, just visit their Telegram channel right here. So it is here, okay? It is their Telegram group, okay? So make sure to be updated into their Telegram group, and I'm also going to buy their packs as well. So please, I really hope I can buy one, okay? And let's actually see if it is pretty much worth it as well to stake in our planet. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this new NFT drop right here, okay? That will come soon. And please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. I do have 10,100 subscribers. Please help me reach that 15,000. I'm really going to be grateful if we reach that this month. So see you on the next video, and good luck.